morning, children. Today we want to continuity of the exercise 2.1 integers lesson class number. So 7 children. Children, what is that exercise 2.1? So you want to solve that. What is the question number? So 2 minus 3 by 5. Correct, children? 2 minus 3 by 5. You want to solve this one. 2 minus 3 by 5. Children, now we want to take the LCM. How you can take this one? So here 1 and 5 LCM is 5 children. 2 5s are 10 minus 3 divided by 5. Correct, children? 10 minus 3 is how much? 7. 7 by 5 is the answer. See, children, 2 minus 3 by 5. So you want to multiply it. 5 2s are 10 minus 3 by 5. 10 minus 3 is 7 by 5. Children, now we want to take next question. 4 plus 7 by 8. What is that? 4 plus 7 by 8. Children, here also we want to multiply. 4 8s are 32 plus 7 divided by 8. Children, now you want to add this one. 32 plus 7 is how much? 39 by 8. Correct, children? Children, now we want to take, what is that next question is 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. Correct, children? Children, next you want to take this one LCM. Here two numbers in there, 5 and 7. So what is that? 5 and 7 is different numbers, cannot be multiple the same number. That's why you want to multiple this one. 5 7 is how much? 35 is the LCM. Correct, children? How you want to take here? 5 and 7. How you can take this one? 5 1 ja 7 ja. Again also 7 1 ja 7. See, children, what is that also? 7 5 is 35. 35 is the LCM. So you want to write here 3 by 5 into LCM 35 plus 2 by 7 into 35 LCM all divided by LCM is 30. Correct, children? Now we want to divide this one. 5 1 ja 5 7 ja 7 1 ja 7 5. Correct, children? Now we want to multiply. 7 3 is 21 plus 5 2 is 10 divided by 35. So children, now you want to add 21 plus 10. How much, children? 31 divided by 35. Correct? 31 divided by 35. Any doubt, children? Sorry, children, 1 minute. Here 7 3 is 21 plus 10. Yes, correct. Is it 31 by 35? Children, next you want to take next question. What is that? Next question is 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. Yes, 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. Next question you want to take. 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. 11 minus 4 by 15. Children, now you want to take LCM 11 and 15. What is that LCM you want to take? Different number. That's why 11 into 15 you want to multiply, children. Okay? 165 is the LCM, children. Now you want to write here 9 by 11 into 165 minus 4 by 15 into 165 all divided by 165. Correct, children? How you can also, now you want to take here 11 1 ja 11 5 11 15 ja 165. Correct, children? And 15 11 ja. So according to that, how you can write here, children? Now we want to take this one. How you can do that one then also? Correct, children? 15 9 ja 135. Correct, children? Minus 44 divided by 165. Children, now you want to subtract this one. 135 minus 44 means 5 minus 4 is 1. 13 minus 8 is how much, children? 13 minus 4 is 9. 91 by 160. Correct, children? This is the so. Children, next you want to take next question. What is that? 3 numbers. Children, if you understood this one, you want to take next question. What is that next question, children? Okay, children. So 7 by 10, 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Correct, children? These are the numbers you want to take first LCM 10, 5 and 2. 2, 5 and 10. You want to take LCM, children. How you can? First the lowest number is 2. You want to take a 2 ones are 5 cannot be divisible, right, as it is, and 2 5s are 10. Children, next you want to take 1 1. So what is that? 1 to multiple 2 into 5 into 1 is equal to how much? 10. LCM is equal to 10. Correct, children? Now you want to write here. This is LCM. LCM is equal to 10. What you can write this as 7 by 10 into LCM plus 2 by 5 into LCM plus 3 by 2 into LCM. Correct, children? This is the 7 by 10 into LCM, 2 by 5 into LCM plus 3 by 2 into LCM, all divided by LCM. Cancel by 1s, by 2s, 2 1s, 2 5s. See, children, 7 1s are 7 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 3 5s are 15. Correct, children? Now write this one. Correct. 15 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 7 is 26 by 10. 26 by 10. Correct, children? So you want to reduce this one also. Or you can write it also 13 by 5. Because it is divided. 2 13 is 26 and 2 10 5 is 10. Correct, children? Children, you want to take one more sum. What is that? Okay, children. Sixth sum. 2 by 3. 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. Children, here next fraction is there. You want to convert fraction. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 by 3 plus 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7 by 2. Children, now we want to take LCM 3 and 2. What is that? LCM is 3 and 2. So it is different numbers. 1 to multiple. LCM is equal to 6. 3 2s are 6. Correct, children? Now we want to write 8 by 3 into 6 plus 7 by 2 into 6 all divided by LCM. So children, now we want to reduce this one. 3 1s are 3 2s are 2 1s are 2 3s are 8 2s are 16 plus 7 3s are 21 all divided by 6. Children, now you can add this one. 1 plus 6 7 and 1 plus 2 3 by 6. Correct, children? Here mixed fraction they given. You want to convert this one also mixed fraction. How? So see, children. How you can, children? Then also 6 6 is 36. Okay. And 9 this one. 37 minus 36 is 1. Children, now we want to write this one. First, what we can write? This one also. Remainder. Okay, children. This one also 6 is there. 6 remainder and division. 6 6 is 36. 1 by 6. 6 1 by 6 is the sum of 2 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. Correct, children? You can understood? Children, next you want to go to last sum is there in this line. 8 1 by 2 minus, what is that next question? Children, 8 1 by 2 minus 8 1 by 2 minus 3 1 by 2. Children, 8 2s are 16 plus 1 is 17 by 2 divided by 3 2s are 6 minus 1 is 7 by 2. See, children, here also LCM 2 equal to 5. 8 1 by 2 minus 3 1 by 2 is equal to 17 by 2 minus 7 by 2 is equal to 17 minus 7 by 2 is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5. Correct, children? Children, you want to take next one. What is that? Arrange the following in descending order. Shall I write this one, children? Okay. Children, want to take next one. What is that question? Arrange the following in descending order. First question is 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 8 by 27. Second one. First question is 2 by 9, comma 2 by 3, comma 8 by 21. Children, now you want to take LCM of these numbers. 9, 3 and 20. Children, you want to divide this one. 3 3s are, 3 1s are, 3 7s. Next. 3 1s are, 1s are, 7. Next. 7 1s are, 7 1s are. See, children, 3 3s are 9, 9 7 is 63. What is that? LCM is 3 into 9 is equal to 63 is the LCM. Correct, children? LCM is 63. So, children, denominator should be coming from 63. That's why 2 by 9 is there. What we can multiply 9, getting the result is 63. 7. 9 7 is 63. Correct. Here also I want to multiply 7. Come. Here also 2 by 3 is there. What multiply then also 3? The getting the result is 63 means 21. Correct, children? You want to multiply here 21. Here also 21. Come. Next 8 by 21 is there. What we can multiply the 21? The getting the result is 63 means 3 numerator and denominator. Correct, children? Now you want to multiply 2 7 are 14 by 63. So 42 by 63 and 24 by 63. Children, now this is also descending order means descending order, which is the biggest and which is the small. So the numerator is big, that is then also big number. That's why you want to take first right 42 by 63. 42 by 63 is greater than next 24 by 63. So next number 14 by 63. Correct, children? This is the first question. So first you can arrange and also order. Want to take LCM 63. This 63 must also be equal to denominator. Which number can multiply with the denominator? The getting result is 63. Here 9 is there. 9 7 is 63. 3 is there. 21 3 is 63. 21 is there. 21 3 is 63. That's all, children. What we can multiply? The getting the result is 63. Children, as well as want to take next question. What is the second question is? See, children. So 1 by 5, 3 by 7, 1 by 5, 3 by 7, comma 10 by 7, sorry 7 by 10. Children, now we want to take LCM 5, 7 and 10. 5, 7 and 10. You want to multiply here 5 1s are 7 are 5 2s are. Correct, children? Now you want to take here 7 1s are 1s are 2s are. Next 1s are 5 7s are 35 35 2s are 70 is LCM. 5 into 7 into 2 is equal to 70 is equal to LCM. LCM is equal to 70. Want to multiply here. So 1 by 5. Which number can they also multiply with 5? The getting the result is 70 is 14, children. Here also 14 and here also 14. Correct. And next here also 3 by 7. Which number the getting 7? It is equal to 70 is 10. So 10. And here also 7 by 10. The getting the result is 7 into 7. Children, 1 14 is 14 by 70, comma 30 by 70, comma 49 by 70. So children, which is the denominator more? First you want to write that one. Denominator, sorry, numerator is more. 49 is more. That one you want to write 49 by 70 greater than next 30 by 70 or 14 by 70. Children, you want to represent the original form also. 49 by 70 is how much? Which one, children? 7 by 10. That is the big. And 30 by 70 is which one? 3 by 7. That is also 3, children. Next, 1 by 5 is also last. That is 1 by 5. So 7 by 10 and 3 by 7 is. Next, 1 by 5. This one also you want to represent, children. Which is the most here? 42 by, then also 63 is which one? 2 by 3 is greater than, and 24, which one? 8 by 21, and last one is then also 2 by 2. This is biggest and then also lowest numbers. That is, because you can understand this one. Arranging, then also descending order. Descending order, then also biggest number to smallest number. Children, this exercise is there also is there. So today's session is completed, children. Tomorrow I will discuss about the Kadman children. Thank you, children.